Hello, the students of class 9 and 10. Welcome to Chattu Shodhar Virtual School. Dear learners, how are you? Hope you are fine, safe, and secured by the grace of Almighty Creators. I am also fine. Today I am with you. This is Hirendra Devnath, assistant teacher English, working at Puramazar Girls High School, and this class is for the students of classes 9 and 10. Dear learners, all of you know our classes are not held from 18 March 2020 due to COVID-19 or coronavirus. Learners, for the convenience of your studies, our Honorable Upazila Education Officer has launched a virtual school named Chattu Shodhar Virtual School. Today, I would love to discuss a lesson from your English for Today book. I hope you will enjoy the class with your full attention. Before going through the text, before declaration of our today's topic, I will show you some pictures as well as some sentences. Please look at the TV screen, and if you see the TV screen attentively, I hope you will guess what I am going to discuss today before you. Okay, learners, this is a house. Grandfather built this house and my father inherited it later, and now I am living here. It is my heritage. I won it from my father and I will pass it to my future generation. The Statue of Liberty. What is it? Of course, it is a world heritage. But what is this, dear learners? This is ষাট Gambuz Mosque, a world heritage. Dear learners, let's enjoy a video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. So learners, can you guess what we are going to discuss today? Of course you have guessed, and so our today's topic is the ষাট Gambuz Mosque, Unit 8, Lesson 1. So learners, please get out your khata and write down our today's topic, unit and lesson number. Learning outcome. So what will you learn after completing the lesson? You will learn ask and answer questions, read and comprehend the text, complete a chart. Okay, dear learners, go to section A. Please let me read the instruction. Look at the pictures, work in pairs, talk about the picture and ask and answer the following questions with your partner. Dear learners, this is the picture. Look at the picture and below the pictures there are 4 questions. At first, read the questions. What is this building? Number 2, do you have a building like this in your town or village? What do we call it? Number 4, what is it used for? Dear learners, it is totally impossible now because this is a pair work. So pair work is not possible now. I will answer the questions. I will ask myself and I will answer the question. What is this building? This building is a multi-domed mosque. Do you have a building like this in your village or town? Yes, I have or we have a building like this in my village or town. What do we call it? We call it a mosque. What is it used for? It is used for prayers. Okay, learners, go to next section, and this section is about text. Before going through the text, I will discuss some keywords. Okay, look at the keywords. There are a lot of keywords. First one, unique, and the picture indicates unique. Unique means exclusive or exceptional or distinctive. Outskirts. Outskirts means Kuril flyover. This is Kuril flyover, which is located in Kuril, and Kuril is the outskirt of Dhaka. Outskirt means borders or outer edge or environs. Mangrove. This is the picture of mangrove. Mangrove means coastal tree or tree grows on river bank. Infrastructure. Infrastructure means framework or structure. Frame or structure. Baked. Baked means hard or strong or burnt, and this is the picture of baked. Reservoirs. Reservoir means water tanks, water container. That means tanks, pool, lake or pond. Slender. Slender means slim or handsome or trim. Arches. Arches means curve or semicircle. This is curve and semicircle. Mihrab. Mihrab means a niche in the wall of a mosque. In the wall of a mosque. Every mosque has a mihrab. Hollow. Hollow means empty space inside. Hollow, this is the picture of hollow, and hollow means empty space inside. Aisles. Aisles means a narrow way. A narrow way. This is the picture of aisles. This is the picture of aisles. Aisles means a narrow way. Remarkable. Remarkable means notable or extraordinary or amazing. Heritage means tradition. Inherit means to receive money, property or title as an heir. Reveal means disclose or express. Significant means notable or noteworthy. Monument means memorial or statue. Dominate means control or influence. Architecture means building style. Architectural means relating to design of a building. Habitable means livable. Multi-domed means having many domes. Dome means a rounded vault of a mosque. Ventilation means airing. Terracotta means baked earth. Curve means a smooth band. Attraction means fascination. Combination means blend. Okay, dear learners, let's read the text. And for the convenience of your understanding, I will tell the meaning of the text in Bangla. Heritage is what we inherit from the past. ঐতিহ্য বলতে আমরা বুঝি তাই যা আমরা অতীত থেকে পাই, লিভ উইথ ইন দ্য প্রেজেন্ট, বর্তমানে তা নিয়ে বসবাস করি, and then pass on to our children or future generation, এবং সেটা আমাদের সন্তানদের জন্য অথবা ভবিষ্যৎ প্রজন্মের জন্য রেখে যাই। This is house, this is money, this is gold, these are heritage, and we inherit from the past and leave it in the present and give them to our children or future generation when we will die or pass away. This is cultural heritage and this is natural heritage. Our unique source of life and inspiration is our cultural and natural heritage. আমাদের জীবনের এবং উৎসাহের অপূর্ব উৎস হলো আমাদের সাংস্কৃতিক এবং প্রাকৃতিক ঐতিহ্য। When we speak of world heritage, these are the world heritage of Bangladesh. When we speak of a world heritage, it indicates places and sites. এটা নির্দেশ করে স্থানকে যা we inherited from the past, যা আমরা অতীত থেকে পেয়েছি, and pass on to the future generation, এবং ভবিষ্যৎ প্রজন্মের জন্য রেখে যাই, of the entire world, সমস্ত বিশ্বের। The ষাট গম্বুজ mosque in Bagherhat is such a heritage. বাগেরহাটের ষাট গম্বুজ মসজিদ এমনই একটা ঐতিহ্য। It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. এটা ইউনেস্কো কর্তৃক বিশ্ব ঐতিহ্য হিসেবে ঘোষিত হয় 1985 সালে। Bagherhat, in the map we see the district of Bagherhat, and this district, earlier Bagherhat was known as Khalifatabad. পূর্বে বাগেরহাট খলিফাতাবাদ নামে পরিচিত ছিল। This mosque is situated at the outskirts of this town. এই মসজিদটা বাগেরহাট শহরের প্রান্ত বা কিনারায় অবস্থিত। Border lines of Bagherhat. বাগেরহাটের প্রান্ত বা কিনারায় অবস্থিত। Okay, this is the picture of mangrove forest. The ষাট গম্বুজ mosque is not very far from the dense mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. ষাট গম্বুজ মসজিদ ঘন ম্যানগ্রোভ বন থেকে, সুন্দরবনের ঘন ম্যানগ্রোভ বন থেকে বেশি দূরে নয়। Bagherhat, and this was Khanjanali. Present Bagherhat, then Khalifatabad. বর্তমানে বাগেরহাট, তখন খলিফাতাবাদ was a Muslim colony. ছিল একটা মুসলিম অধ্যুষিত এলাকা। It was founded by the Turkish general. এটা স্থাপিত হয়েছিল একজন তুর্কিশ সেনাপ্রধান দ্বারা। A saint warrior, উনি ছিলেন একজন ধর্মযাজক এবং যোদ্ধা। ওনার নাম হচ্ছে উলুগ খান জাহান। In the 15th century, 15 শতকের the infrastructure of the city reveals, শহরের কাঠামো প্রকাশ করে significant technical skills, তাৎপর্যপূর্ণ কারিগরি দক্ষতা in many mosques, অনেক মসজিদে as well as early Islamic monuments এবং আগের ইসলামিক স্থাপত্যগুলোতে স্মৃতিস্তম্ভগুলোতে baked bricks are used পোড়া ইট ব্যবহৃত হয় for the construction of the buildings ভবনের নির্মাণে the planning of the city is distinctly dominated শহরের পরিকল্পনাটা পরিষ্কারভাবে নিয়ন্ত্রিত হয় by Islamic architecture ইসলামিক স্থাপত্যগত বিষয় দ্বারা and the decorations are a combination of Mughal and Turkish architecture এবং সাজসজ্জা ছিল একটা মুঘল এবং তুর্কিশ স্থাপত্যের সমাহার Khanjan Ali built a networks of roads, bridges, public buildings and reservoirs to make the city habitable. খানজান আলী নির্মাণ করে রাস্তা, ব্রিজ, সরকারি ভবন, জলাধার শহরটাকে habitable করার জন্য বাসযোগ্য করার জন্য there are about 360 mosques in the city ওই শহরে 360টা মসজিদ আছে among them the most remarkable is the multi-domed ষাট গম্বুজ মস্ক এর মধ্যে সবচাইতে উল্লেখযোগ্য হলো বহু গম্বুজ বিশিষ্ট ষাট গম্বুজ মসজিদ okay learners now we are giving description of the Shat Gambuz Mosque. The mosque is unique in the sense that মসজিদটা এদিক থেকে অনন্য সাধারণ কারণ এর আছে 60 pillars 60টা পিলার আছে that support the roof 60 pillars these are the pillars and there are 60 pillars to support the roof ছাদটাকে ঠেস দিয়ে রাখার জন্য "77 low height domes. The mosque has 77 low height domes and smaller domes in 4 corners. 1 corners, 2 corners and below the masjid there are also 2 corners and there are also 2 smaller domes. So learners, the vast prayer hall has 11 arched doorways on the east. This is the east portion of the mosque and you can see easily here there are 11 arched doorways. These are the arched doorways, semicircle. These are the doors like semicircle and here 1, 2, 3, 4 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 arched doors on the east and this is the south of the mosque and this is the east of the mosque. In the south you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 arched doors and 7 each on the north and the south for light and ventilation. Dear learners, you see in the south there are also 7 arched doorways and this is the east portion and you will be able to know in this the part of the north portion and this in the north portion there are also 7 arched doors so you can count it easily in the mosque there are 25 arched doorways 25 arched doorways and how many doorways 25 arched doorways why there are so many arched doorways because of light and ventilation it has 7 aisles means a narrow way. In the mosque there are 7 aisles for running along the length of the mosque and 11 deep curves. These are the deep curves between the columns, one columns and two columns. Each two columns there are 11 deep curves. 11 deep curves between the slender stone columns. 11টা গভীর বাঁকা আর্চ আছে, সেমিসার্কেল আছে between the slender stone columns, এই চিকন পাথরের কলামগুলোর মাঝখানে। These columns support the curving arches. এই কার্ভিং আর্চগুলোকে এই কলামগুলো সাপোর্ট দিয়ে রেখেছে, ক্রিয়েটেড বাই দ্য ডোমস। এবং এই কার্ভিং আর্চগুলোর উপরে ডোম আছে, কার্ভিং আর্চগুলোর উপরে ডোম আছে বাই দ্য ডোমস। and the thickness of the arches, এই আর্চগুলোর পুরুত্ব হচ্ছে 6 feet and have slightly narrowing hollow, এবং এগুলোর আছে hollow মানে হচ্ছিল ভিতরে খালি জায়গা, এরকম ভিতরে খালি জায়গা আছে, and round wall, এবং এটা দেখতে গোলাকার দেয়ালের মতো। এগুলো হচ্ছে মিহরাব, প্রত্যেকটা মসজিদেই মিহরাব থাকে। The west wall in the interior has 11 mihrabs. পশ্চিম দিকের দেয়ালে এরকম 11টা মিহরাব আছে। মিহরাব মানে হচ্ছে নিচ ইন মস্ক পয়েন্টিং টুয়ার্ডস মক্কা, মক্কার দিকে ফিরানো, এরকম 11টা মিহরাব আছে লার্নার্স। এবং এই মিহরাবগুলো, these mihrabs are decorated with stonework and terracotta. এই মিহরাবগুলো পাথরের এবং পোড়ামাটি দ্বারা সজ্জিত। এবং এটা হচ্ছে মসজিদের ফ্লোর। The floor of the mosque is made of brick. এটা ইটের তৈরি ফ্লোরটা। Besides being used as a prayer hall, Khanjan Ali used the mosque as his court also. Khanjan Ali মসজিদটা নামাজের ঘর হিসেবে ব্যবহার করা ছাড়াও এটা তার দরবার হিসেবে ব্যবহার করত। Today it is one of the greatest tourist attractions and one of the best architectural beauties of Bangladesh. বর্তমানে এটা সবচাইতে আকর্ষণীয় পর্যটন কেন্দ্র and one of the best architectural beauties of Bangladesh, এবং বাংলাদেশের একটা অন্যতম স্থাপত্যগত সৌন্দর্যের একটি। Dear learners, please read the text again and fill the table given in the text book. Below the textbook you will find this table. You have to fill the gaps. Shad Ghumbuz Mosque information founded by, who will found it, who had founded it. It was founded by, of course, Ulugh Khan Jahan. When? In the text you will find that it was founded in the 15th century. The 15th century. Number of domes. How many domes are there in the Shad Ghumbuz Mosque? Of course, 77 domes. Number of pillars. How many pillars in the mosque? Of course, 60 pillars. Arches. How many arches? Okay, 25 arches. And thickness of the arches. The thickness of the arches is 6 feet. Mihrabs. How many mihrabs are there? Of course, 11 mihrabs. Okay, dear learners, please let me evaluate you. Fill in each gap with a suitable word of your own based on the information from the text. There is a text and there are 5 gaps. You have to fill the gaps. The Shad Ghumbuz Mosque, which is situated at near Bagherhat, is a dash. The answer will be is a heritage. This mosque still represents the architectural and technical dash of the then Muslim period. So the answer will be technical beauty. The dash of Islamic architecture is dash found here. The dash of Islamic architecture. The domination of Islamic architecture is distinctively found here. Being dashed by the best architectural beauty of it, many tourists visit this place every year. Being attracted by the best architectural beauty of it, many tourists visit this place every year. Okay, dear learners, this is homework. Please let me announce the topic of your today's homework. This is taken from your English for Today book, section C. Look at the picture of the star mosque. This is the picture of star mosque in Dhaka. Write a description on the star mosque with the help of the given clues. The clues are given in the text, and you will do it at home and submit it to your respective English teacher when your school will reopen. Okay, dear learners, thank you so much. Dear learners, that's all for today. Thank you again for participating with me. If you want to enjoy the class again, you should visit our Facebook page, Chattu Shodhar Virtual School, and you can comment there. Finally, I ask you, we should pray to God to save us quickly. Please stay home, stay safe, follow the instructions given by the government, and enjoy the classes in the Chattu Shodhar Virtual School Facebook page that are served by the respected teachers.